Good morning, students. Today we are going to read the fifth lecture of the topic of fractions. And the title of today is Addition and Subtraction of the Mixed Numbers. So to add or subtract mixed numbers, the steps are, again, there will be two methods. First, we will convert the unlike fractions into like fractions and then solve them. This will be the first method. And second method will be direct one. So we will solve the same questions by two methods. So we are going to solve the question by first method in first. So the question is add one whole number 1 by 2 and two whole number 1 by 4. So because the requirement is add them, so plus sign will be placed. So if you look at the fractional part of the first mixed number, that is 1 by 2, and the fraction part of the second number, that is 1 by 4. So these are unlike fractions. So first we will convert them into like fractions. So fraction part of the first number will be multiplied with 2. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So this is mixed number now, and the second number will remain as it is because 4 is come now. 4 is the same in the denominator of the two numbers now because denominator is same now. So these are called now the like fractions. So convert the fraction part to like fraction first. So this is converted now. Now the method will be add the whole numbers first. So 1 plus 2, that will be 3. Now fraction parts term is now. So add 2 plus 1, that will be 3, and that denominator will remain as it is. So this is the first method to solve this kind of question. Now we will solve the same question by the second method, that is called direct method, that is actually used in the countries of the subcontinent. This kind of method is actually used in the European countries and in Middle Eastern countries. Now I'm going to tell you the method that is frequently used in the countries of the subcontinent like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh. So come now. Okay students, now we are going to solve the same question by the second method. The question is one whole number 1 by 2 plus two whole number 1 by 4. So this is the question. So the direct method is multiply the denominator with the whole number, 2 ones are 2, and then numerator will be added. So 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3. So 3 by 4 is the fraction form of this mixed number. This plus sign will remain as it is. Same thing will be applied here. Denominator will be multiplied with the whole number part. 4 twos are 8, and then numerator will be added. So 4 twos are 8 plus 1, 9. Over 4 will remain as it is. So now look, here is actually 2 because 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3. This denominator will remain as it is. So this is the thing now. So now we will take the LCM of the denominator, that is 2 and 4. So here is the LCM. So in 2's table these numbers are coming. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. This 1 will come down as it is. Again in the table of 2, this 2 is coming, 2 ones are 2. So 2 twos are 4 is the LCM. That will be placed in the denominator now. Now we will read the table of the denominator of the first fraction to the number where 4 is coming. So 2 twos are 4. That 2 will be multiplied with the numerator of the same fraction. So 2 threes are 6. So this plus will remain as it is. Now we will read the table of the denominator of the second fraction to the number where this 4 will come. So 4 ones are 4. That 1 will be multiplied with the numerator of the same fraction. So 1 nines are 9. So now we will add these numbers. 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. This 4 as it is. So this is actually the improper fraction now because numerator is greater than the denominator. So we will divide it now. So 15 will be placed inside the bracket and 4 outside the bracket, and we will solve it. So 4 threes are 12. Subtract these numbers. So 3 will be the remainder. So the method to write down this kind of number is this quotient will become the whole number part, this remainder will become the numerator, and this divisor will become the denominator. So this is the answer of this question. Here is another question. Add 3 whole number 2 by 3 and 1 whole number 5 by 6. So again, the first method will be to solve this kind of question is converting unlike fractions to like fractions, and second method will be by the direct method. So we will solve the question by the two methods as well. So look now, the first method is, so 3 whole number 2 by 3, because add is the requirement, so plus sign will be placed, and this is the second number. So look now, we are going to convert this fraction parts into like fractions. So because this is 6, so this 3 can be converted into 6 as well by multiplying it with 2. So if we are multiplying the denominator with 2, we have to multiply the numerator with 2 as well. So look now, this 3 will remain as it is, and numerator and denominator are going to be multiplied with 2. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. This number will remain as it is. So look at the fraction part now. Denominators are same. So now the method will be, this whole number part will be added. So 3 plus 1, 4. Now numerators will be added. 4 plus 5, 9. And this denominator will remain as it is. So this is the answer. But now this fraction, numerator and denominator can be cancelled in the same number, that is 3. So 3's table, 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6. Here it has a wrong number, so that is actually 3 3s are 9. So here should come 2. So 5 whole number 3 by 2 is actually the answer. That is wrong. This is wrong. Answer is 5 whole number 3 by 2. So this is the first method. Now we will solve the same question by the same method, by the other method now. So now come. So now we are going to solve the same question by the second method. The question is 3 whole number 2 by 3 plus 1 whole number 5 by 6. So the second method, that is called direct method, is multiply the denominator with the whole number part. 3 3s are 9 and then add the numerator. So 3 3s are 9 plus 2, 11. This denominator will remain as it is. Plus sign will remain as it is. Same thing will be applied here. So 6 1s are 6 plus 5, 11. Divided by 6 will remain as it is. So this is the step now. Now we will take the LCM of the denominators, that is 3 and 6. So in 2's table, 6 is coming, 3 is not coming. So 3 will come down as it is, and 2 3s are 6. And in 3's table now, 3 1s are 3 and 3 1s are 3. So 2 3s are 6 is the LCM. So 6 will be placed in the denominator. Now we will read the table of the denominator of the first fraction to the number where 6 will come. So 3 2s are 6, and that 2 will be multiplied with the numerator of the same fraction. So 2 11s are 22. This plus sign will remain as it is. Now read the table of the denominator of the second fraction to the number where 6 will come. So 6 1s are 6. That one will be multiplied with the numerator of the same fraction. So 1 11s are 11. So now add these two numbers. 22 plus 11 will be 33. This 6 will remain as it is. Now we will divide the number. So 33 will be placed inside the bracket and 6 will be placed outside the bracket, and we will divide it now. So 6 5s are 30. Subtract these two numbers, 3 will be the remainder. To write this number is, this quotient will become the whole number part, this remainder will become the numerator, and this 6 will become the denominator. Okay, now this fraction part will be cancelled. In 3's table, this is cancelling. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. So answer is 5 whole number 1 by 2. So this is the direct method. Here is another question, that is a question of subtraction. So subtract 1 whole number 1 by 6 from 2 whole number 2 by 3. So the value after from will be placed first, that is 2 whole number 2 by 3, minus, and before value will be placed after. So 1 whole number 1 by 6 will be placed after the sign of the minus, because subtract this from this. So this is the thing now. So again, there are two methods to solve this question. One is actually converting the unlike fraction to the like fraction, and second method will be direct method. So we will solve the question by the two methods as well. So look here at the fraction part, that is 2 by 3 and 1 by 6. So first we will convert these unlike fractions into like fractions. Like fractions are the fractions which are having the same denominator. So we will multiply the numerator and denominator of the fraction part of the first mixed number by 2, because when 3 will be multiplied with 2, it will become 6 as that of the denominator of the second number as well. So look now, this 2 will remain as it is. We are going to multiply this fraction by 2. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. And this mixed number will remain as it is, because both mixed numbers are having the same denominator now. So this is actually convert the fractional part to like fraction first. So these fractional parts are now like fractions. So now the method will be, first whole number will be subtracted. So 2 minus 1 will be 1. Now fraction parts are going to be solved. 4 minus 1 will be 3, and that 6 will come as it is, because now fractional part is coming into the same number. So we will cancel them. These numbers can be cancelled in the table of 3. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. So 1 whole number 1 by 2 will be the answer. This is the first method, that is called to convert the unlike fractions into like fractions. So this is the first method. Now we will solve the same question by the other method, that is called direct method. So the second method is, the question is 2 whole number 2 by 3 minus 1 whole number 1 by 6. So now we are going to solve the question by the direct method. Multiply the denominator with the whole number part and then add the numerator. So 3 twos are 6 plus 2 8 by 3 will remain as it is, minus sign as it is. Now the same thing, 6 ones are 6 plus 1 7 by 6. Now take the LCM of the denominators, that is 3 and 6. So in 2's table 6 is coming, 3 is not coming, so 3 will come down as it is, and 2 3s are 6. Now in 3's table 3 ones are 3 and 3 ones are 3. So the LCM is 6. So 6 will be placed in the denominator. Now we will read the table of the denominator of the first fraction to the number where 6 will come. So 3 twos are 6 and 2 will be multiplied with the numerator. So 16 is here. This minus sign will remain as it is. Now read the table of the denominator of the second fraction to the number where 6 will come. So 6 ones are 6. Multiply the answer with the numerator of the same fraction. So 7 ones are 7. So we will subtract now. 16 minus 7 will be 9. By 6 will remain as it is, because these two numbers are coming in the same table. So we will cancel them. So 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6. Okay, 3 by 2. So now we will divide it. 3 will come into the bracket and 2 outside the bracket. 2 ones are 2. Now remainder is 1. We will put okay. Now we will write this number into the mixed number. So this quotient will become the whole number part. This remainder will become the numerator, and this divisor will become the denominator. So this is the answer. Here is another question, that is subtract 5 whole number 2 by 9 from 10. So 10 will be placed first, then minus sign, and this will be placed after. So there are again two methods. First is converting the unlike fractions into like fractions. So this 10 can be written as 9 whole number 9 by 9, because you know the whole number part is always added to the fraction part. Fraction part is actually 1. So 9 plus 1 will become 10. So this is the other form of the 10, and we have write down 10 in this form because the other mixed number is having a denominator of 9. So the both mixed numbers are having the number 9 in the denominator now. So it means unlike fractions are converted into like fractions first. So the next step will be, we will subtract the whole number with the whole number. So 9 minus 5 will be 4. Now numerators, 9 minus 2 will be 7, and this 9 will remain as it is. So this is the answer of this question. This is the first method. Now we will solve the same question with the other method, that is direct method. So now we will solve the same question by the second method. So first we will convert this mixed number into improper fraction, that is 10 will remain as it is. 9 5s are 45 plus 2 will be 47. This 9 will remain as it is. In the denominator of 10 we can place 1. So now we will take the LCM of 1 and 9. So the LCM of 1 and 9 will be 9, that will be placed in denominator. Now we will read the table of the denominator of the first fraction to the number where 9 will come. So 1 9s are 9, that 9 will be multiplied with the numerator of the same fraction. So 9 10s are 90 minus. So now we will read the table of the denominator of the second fraction to the number where 9 will come. So 9 1s are 9, that 1 will be multiplied with the numerator of the same fraction. So 147s are 47. Now we will subtract these two numbers. So 90 minus 47 will be 43. This 9 will remain as it is. So now we will divide the fraction. 43 will be placed inside the bracket and 9 outside the bracket. So 9 4s are 36. Subtract the numbers, 7 will be here. So the method to write the answer is, this quotient will become the whole number part. This remainder will become the numerator, and this divisor will become the denominator. So this is the answer. Okay students, here is another question that is somewhat different of the same category, that is subtract 5 by 9 from the sum of 2 whole number 1 by 6 and 1 whole number 1 by 3. So first we have to take the sum of this one. So 2 whole number 1 by 6 plus 1 whole number 1 by 3. The same, there are two methods. First is converting the unlike fractions into like fractions. So look at the fraction part of the two mixed numbers. First we will convert them into like fractions. So multiply with 2 the numerator and denominator of the second fraction. So 2 whole number 1 by 6 will remain as it is, plus sign as it is. Now we are going to multiply the numerator and denominator with 2. So 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6. Now look at the denominator of the two fraction parts. These are same now. So now these can be solved easily. So first the whole number part will be added. So 2 plus 1, 3. Now the numerator, that is 1 plus 2, that will 3, and this 6 will come one time. So look at the fraction part now, that can be cancelled into the same table. So 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6. So this 3 will remain as it is, and 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6. So 1 by 2. So 3 whole number 1 by 2 is the sum of this one. Next requirement is subtract 5 by 9 from the sum of this one. So 5 by 9 will be subtracted now. So this 3 whole number 1 by 2 minus 5 by 9. So look now, again these are unlike fractions. First we will convert these fractions into like fractions. So this 3 and 1 will remain as it is. So fraction part is going to be multiplied with 9. So 9 ones are 9 and 9 twos are 18. And in this fraction part, we are multiplying the numerator and denominator by 2. So 5 twos are 10 and 9 twos are 18. So now look at the denominator of the two fractions. These are same now. So it means these unlike fractions are converted into fraction parts first. Now this will be easy now. So from this step, look now, we are taking 1 from here. 1 stands for 18 by 18. So 18 will be added with 9. So 18 plus 9 will become 27 and 18 will remain as it is. And because we have taken 1 from here, that will become 2 now. So 2 whole number 27 by 8 is the new mixed number that is equal to this one. This number is remains same. Now we will solve it. This 2 will remain same and 27 minus 10 will be equal to 17 and 18 will remain same. So this is the first method to solve the question. That is actually a European method that is called converting unlike fractions to like fractions and then solve it. Now we will solve the same question by another method that is called direct method. So we are going to solve the same question by the second method, that is direct method. So look now, 2 whole number 1 by 6 plus 1 whole number 1 by 3. This will be placed into the bracket and 5 by 9 after the minus sign, because the question which you have seen on the screen was subtract 5 by 9 from the sum of 2 whole number 1 by 6 and 1 whole number 1 by 3. So this is the mathematical form of the descriptive form. So now we will solve the question by the direct method. So look now, this denominator will be multiplied with this number and this number will be added. So 6 twos are 12 plus 1 13 by 6, plus will remain as it is. 3 ones are 3 plus 1 4 by 3. Bracket will remain as it is, minus sign as it is, and 5 by 9 will remain as it is. Okay, now this bracket can be removed. So we have removed this. Okay. So now take the LCM of the denominator. So 6, 3 and 9. So 6, 3 and 9. So first in 2's table, so 2 3's are 6. These numbers are not coming in 2's table, so this number will come down as it is. Now in 3's table, 3 1's are 3, 3 1's are 3, 3 3's are 9. This 1 will come down as it is. And in 3's table, this 3 is coming at one time. So 2 3's are 6 and 6 3's are 18. 18 is the LCM that will be placed in the denominator. Now read the table of this one to this number. So 6 3's are 18 and 3 will be multiplied by this one. So 13 3's are 39. Plus sign will remain as it is. Read the table of this to this. So 3 6 are 18 and 6 will be multiplied with this one. So 6 4's are 24. Minus sign will remain as it is. Now read the table of this up to this. So 9 2's are 18. 2 will be multiplied with this one. So 2 5's are 10. So now look. This plus this will make 63. 63 minus 10, 53. So 53 over 18. So now we are going to divide these two numbers. 53 will be placed inside and 18 outside the bracket. So 18 2's are 36 and 18 3's are 8 3's are 24, 2 3 1's are 54. Okay, that has crossed the 53. So 18 2's are 36. Okay, remainder will be 4 plus 3 7, 4 1. So this is the remainder. Okay, so the method to write this number is, this will become whole number part, this numerator and this denominator. So this is the answer. Here is another question. The statement is the sum of the two numbers is 5 whole number 3 by 8. If the larger number is 3 whole number 3 by 4, find the difference between the two numbers. So it means larger number is given, smaller number is not given, but the sum of the numbers is given. So we will subtract the larger number from the sum of the numbers. So we will get the smaller number. So first we are going to find the smaller number. So 5 whole number 3 by 8 minus 3 whole number 3 by 4. First we are going to convert these unlike fractions into like one. So multiply the fraction part by the same number, that will be 2. So from here we are actually getting, okay, this is somewhat very tough method that the book setter has used. So we have taken 1 from here, that will be 4, and that 1 used will be 8 by 8. So 8 will be added with the 3, so 3 plus 8 11, and 8 will remain as it is, and this fraction part is going to be multiplied with 2. So 3 2s are 6 and 4 2s are 8. This 3 will remain as it is. So these are now like fractions. So now solve the whole part. Whole number part, that is 4 minus 3 will be equal to 1. 11 minus 6 will be equal to 5. 8 will remain as it is. So this is the smaller number now. Requirement is find the difference between the two numbers. So it means a larger number minus smaller number will be there. So 3 whole number 3 by 4 minus smaller number, that is 1 whole number 5 by 8. So now we will convert again the unlike fractions into like one. So multiply with 2, that's fraction part. So 3 2s are 6 and 4 2s are 8. This number will remain as it is. So look at the denominator now. These are same now. So these are now like fractions. So 3 minus 1 will be equal to 2. 6 minus 5 will be equal to 1, and 8 as it is. So this is the answer. Now we are going to solve the same question by the direct method. So the first we have to find the smaller number. That can be found out by subtracting the smaller number from the sum. That is, sum is 5 whole number 3 by 8. And the larger number is 3 whole number 3 by 4. So now multiply it. 8 5s are 40 plus 3 43 by 8 minus 4 3s are 12 plus 3 15 by 4. Now take the LCM of 8 and 4. LCM will be 8. Read the table of 8 up to 8. So 8 ones are 8. 1 will be multiplied with 43. So here will be 43 minus sign as it is. 4's table, 4 2s are 8. 2 will be multiplied with 15. So 2 15s are 30. Now subtract the numbers. 43 minus 30 will be equal to 13. This is 8. Now solve it. 13 will be placed inside and 8 outside the bracket. So 8 ones are 8. Subtract it. It will become 5. So 1 whole number 5 by 8. So this is the smaller number now. The next requirement was find the difference of the two numbers. So the difference will be equal to okay, 1 whole number 5 by 8, because here is 8. Now we are going to find the difference of the two numbers. The larger one is 3 whole number 3 by 4. So the required difference is 3 whole number 3 by 4 minus, this is the smaller number, 1 whole number 5 by 8. So again 4 3s are 12 plus 3 15 by 4 minus 8 ones are 8 plus 5 13 by 8. Take the LCM. LCM will be 8. 4 2s are 8. 2 will be multiplied by this one 30. 8 ones are 8. 1 13s are 13. So now 7 and 17 by 8. So 17 by 8 will be equal to 8 2s are 16. 1 2 whole number 1 by 8. So 2 whole number 1 by 8 is the answer. So this is the direct method of the same question. Here is another question that is somewhat different. Mrs. Tan bought 5 whole number 1 by 2 kg of the flour. She used 2 whole number 5 by 6 kg of the flour to bake some biscuits. How much flour did she have left? So it means we have to subtract this number from this number. So look at the A part. 5 whole number 1 by 2 minus 2 whole number 5 by 6. So first we will convert these unlike fractions into like one. So look at the thing. We are multiplying the fraction part of the first mixed number with 3. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. And the second mixed number will be remain as it is. Look at the denominator now. These denominators are same now. Now we are going to subtract the numbers. So 5 minus 2. Okay, from here we are taken 1 from this number. Okay, this is because now this 3 is lesser than the this, because 3 minus 5 will become minus 2. This is the reason we are taking 1 from 5. So here will be 4 now, and this 1 will become 6 by 6. So 6 will be added to this, so it will become 9, and this 6 will remain as it is. This number will remain as it is. So now 4 minus 2 will be 2, 9 minus 5 will be 4, and 6 as it is. So this is the floor which is left now. B part is she bought another 3 whole number 7 by 12 kg of the floor. How much floor did she have in the end? So this is another floor which is bought. So this number will be added to the left part. So 2 whole number 2 whole number 2 by 3 plus 7 whole number 3 whole number 7 by 12 will be added to it. Again, we will convert these unlike fractions into like fractions. So this fraction part will be multiplied with 4. So 2 4s are 8 and 3 4s are 12. This number will remain as it is. Now add them. 2 plus 3 5, 8 plus 7 15. This 12 will remain as it is. Cancel the fraction part into the same number. That 3 5s are 5. Okay, we have taken 1 from here again. We have put 1 into this. So we have put 1 into this. It means 12 by 12 will be subtracted. So that 12 has subtracted. So 15 minus 12 will be 3. That 12 will remain as it is. Now cancel the fraction part into the table of 3. So 3 1s are 3 and 3 4s are 12. So 6 whole number 1 by 4 is the answer. That is the method that is actually called converting unlike fractions into like fractions one. This is tough method to some extent. We are going to same question. We are going to solve the same question through the direct method now. Now the same question is going to solve with the second method, that is called direct method. In A part, it was given that Mrs. Tan has in total 5 whole number 1 by 12 kg of the floor, and she has used 2 whole number 5 by 6 kg of the floor, 2 whole number 5 by 6 kg of the floor. So the requirement was how much floor was left. So actually left floor is the requirement. So we are going to solve it now. So 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11 by 2 minus 6 2s are 12 plus 5 17 over 6. Now take the LCM of the denominators. LCM will be 6. 2 3s are 6. 3 11s are 33. This minus sign will remain as it is. 6 1s are 6. 1 17s are 17. So 33 minus 17 will be 16 by 6, and 2 8s are 16 and 2 3s are 6. Divide the numbers. So 8 by 3. 3 2s are 6. Remainder is 2. So 2 whole number 2 by 3 is the answer. That is the floor left. So in second part, it was given that she has bought another 3 whole number 7 by 12 kg. So what will be the total floor now? So it means this left floor plus new floor will be added. So total floor will be 2 whole number 2 by 3. And the floor which is bought now, that is 3 whole number 7 by 12, will be added to it. Again solve it. 3 2s are 6 plus 2 8 by 3. Plus sign will remain as it is. 12 3s are 36 plus 7 43 by 12. take the LCMs of these two numbers. So 12 will be the LCM. So 3 4s are 12, 4 8s are 32, 12 1s are 12, 1 43s are 43. So add these two numbers, 75 by 12. Again, divide them. Rather, first cancel them. So 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, and 3 4s are 12. So this is the fraction now. Now divide it. 25 inside the bracket, 4 outside. So 4 6 are 24. 1 is remainder. So 6 whole number, 1 by 4 is the answer in kg. So this is the final answer.